This is from Niche Essence. And let's see how it looks when we open it. I'm so excited. Okay. Look at that. What do we have here? Looks like a sample bag. And this is called Niche Time Capsule Collection. Then this is Lira. Okay. It's XERJOFF Casamorati Lira. This will be the unboxing that I'll be doing. But before I do that, Niche Essence kindly sent me a hair mist, which is also Lira. Let's start with the Lira. Casamorati Lira. So, here. Listen to that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? This is the 30 ml container. Yes, okay, check it out. Here we go. Oh. Yay, I can't wait to try this. Look at how pretty the box is. Here it is, 30 mils. I cannot wait. Okay, here we go. This is the real deal, guys. Thank you so much, Niche Essence, for your generosity and your beautiful packaging. Loving it all. I am the vocal vlogger, Susan Miles Robichaux, and have a great night.